In a time long ago, when gods and demons walked the same earth, the universe stood at the edge of chaos. The Devas had lost their power, their glory, their immortality. And the Asuras? They saw a golden chance to rise. But one secret remained, a nectar so powerful it could grant Amrita, immortality. This is the tale of Samudra Manthan, the greatest cosmic tug of war ever known. It began when Lord Indra, king of the Devas, disrespected sage Durvasa. The curse that followed drained the Devas of their strength. Desperate, they turned to Lord Vishnu, who gave a divine solution: churn the Kshira Sagar, the ocean of milk, and bring forth the nectar. But to do so, they must ally with the Asuras. A fragile alliance was born. Together, they prepared to churn the ocean and share the nectar. But the ocean wouldn't give up its secrets so easily. Mount Mandara was chosen as the churning rod. But as it was lowered into the sea, it began to sink. Then came Lord Vishnu in his Kurma avatar, a giant tortoise. He bore the mountain on his back. The serpent king Vasuki became the rope. The Devas took one side, the Asuras the other. The great churning began. The ocean roared, the earth shook. But before nectar came poison. Halhala, a deadly venom, emerged from the depths. Neither gods nor demons could withstand it. Lord Shiva stepped forward. He drank the poison. Parvati stopped it in his throat. His neck turned blue, he became Neelkantha. The world was saved. The churning continued. Out came divine treasures, Kamadhenu, the wish-granting cow, Uchrashravas, the celestial horse, Kalpavriksha, the wish-fulfilling tree, and then goddess Lakshmi, who chose Lord Vishnu as her eternal consort. Finally, Dhanvantari emerged holding the golden pot of Amrit. But the Asuras broke the pact. They seized the nectar and fled. The Devas were powerless. Then came Mohini, a form of Vishnu, enchanting and wise. With charm and wit, she tricked the Asuras and served the nectar to the Devas. But one Asura, Rahu, disguised himself and drank the nectar. Before it passed his throat, Vishnu hurled the Sudarshan Chakra and severed his head. His head became Rahu. His body, Ketu. They still chased the sun and moon, causing eclipses. Thus ended the great churning. The Devas regained their power. Balance was restored. Samudra Manthan is more than myth. It's a tale of ego and sacrifice, chaos and clarity, poison and nectar. It reminds us, from the deepest turmoil can emerge divine truth. This is the eternal legend of Samudra Manthan.